Hello and welcome back to another episode. Today we're looking at tips and tricks to get the most bang for your buck or the most metal for your dollar. We're going to show you some inside tips and tricks to get the best deals on gold. Stay tuned. Before we begin, please take a moment to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you. Everyone buys metal for different reasons. Some people buy gold as a hedge against rampant government spending. Some to protect from geopolitical risks, some stack bars in case the Carrington event repeats and creates a modern doomsday scenario that turns society inside out. And some just want an investment they can hold in their hands that has zero counterparty risk and that makes sense to them. Whatever your reason for investing in gold, almost everyone wants to get the most out of their purchases when they trade dollars for something a little more durable. And that's what this video is about. We're going to use our website to show some features you can use to do comparisons, research prices and deals, and get the best outcome. However, you will be able to apply these shopping strategies anywhere. So first things first, let's break down the pricing structure of any bullion you are going to buy. You will pay for the metal, which is valued at spot, and you will pay a small percentage over spot, which is called the premium. Now, premiums are necessary as they keep mints, mines, and retailers in business. If there's no premium, there's no market, and the gold stays in the ground. Now, premiums are usually pretty slim when you consider the amount of work that went into mining, refining, transporting, and selling the metal. But if you're trying to get the best price possible for your investment in silver or gold, then you're going to look at premiums. The other way people may try to stretch their dollars when investing in metals by timing the market and buying when the spot price is at a certain level. Let's start by looking at premiums. First, if you want to maximize your investment, you shouldn't look at the overall price tag or the absolute dollar amounts. You should look at the premium as a percentage. This will make it possible for you to easily compare fractional quantities or compare grams with troy ounces to help you understand if you're getting a great deal or not. So let's look at gold bars both in terms of grams and troy ounces. If you're planning to buy a quarter of an ounce of gold, you have some options out there in which coin or bar you may pick. A quick Google search reveals that a quarter ounce is a little over 7 grams. And you could find bars in the 5 gram and 10 gram quantities easily on our website. Go to APMEX.com and navigate to the gold bars and rounds section and browse by weight. You can drill down from there into the size you want and then sort it to look at the lowest price first. Now you've got the cheapest item in that size among our assortment, which can sometimes be surprising. Now for this video, I avoided our sale items and our secondary market items, and I'm only comparing the new products. I didn't feel like it was fair to you if I presented a particular premium and it was something on sale, and that sale would be over by the time this was published. Doing the math on this, and take the metal content for a quarter ounce gold round that's going to be 0.25 multiplied by the spot price. That tells you what the metal is worth. And you take the product's total price and subtract the value you just calculated from it to get the premium. Once that's done, it's simple division of the premium divided by the spot price to get the premium percentage. Now you can easily compare different products to see what the best deal is, regardless whether it's in grams or troy ounces. Now, I've already done the work, and it generally bears out that the lowest prices are found on the highest weights, but it turns out that is not always true, and that's why I encourage you to try this yourself. Now for the gold bars, a 5 gram gold bar carried a premium of a little under 10.5%. The 10 gram gold bar had a premium of 6.31%. And the quarter ounce round, remember this was about 7 grams, had a premium just north of 15%. So the 5 gram bar was a smaller fractional size, yet had a lower premium. Put another way, if you kept buying it so you had about a troy ounce of gold in both sizes, the 5 gram gold bars would save you over $100 at today's spot price for the same amount of metal. Now, if you went by the well-known rule of thumb that smaller sizes are always more expensive instead of doing this research yourself, you might miss this opportunity. And it surprisingly applies in other areas as well. We did an analysis of our products looking specifically at 2023 Gold Eagle coins. What I wanted to know, and you're about to find out, is whether the lower fractional sizes of Eagles could ever be cheaper to buy, especially during our sales events, because we have a lot of those, than the next larger size. In other words, was it cheaper at some point to buy a 1/4 ounce Gold Eagle than a 1/2 ounce Gold Eagle, and so on? So to find out, we looked at sales from Jan 1, 2023 to Jan 1, 2024. And the answer is yes. You actually can get deals on Gold Eagles and a cut on the premiums of fractional Gold Eagles. But there are some caveats. Let me explain. Throughout the year, we have many different sales and offers, and some of them are very compelling. The Gold Eagle is sold in 4 sizes: the 1 ounce, the 1/2 ounce, the 1/4 ounce, and the 1/10 ounce Gold Eagles. And looking at their premiums, we found that there were 6 events throughout the year where you could get a 1/10 ounce Gold Eagle for a lower premium than the 1/4 ounce Gold Eagle. And there were 2 sales where you could get a 1/4 ounce Gold Eagle with a lower premium than the 1/2 ounce Gold Eagle. Now, a few of these were flash sales, but 5 of them lasted a full week. Now, in the case of 1 ounce Gold Eagles, those always had the lowest premiums, without exception. The best way to be alerted to these deals when they're happening is to sign up for our emails or download our app and set up alerts. Now, here's another very interesting example, and this is for people who are comparing 2 different series. Now, 2 of the most popular sovereign coins we carry are the Eagles and the Maples. And if you look at the premiums for the 1 ounce Gold Maples and compare it to the premium for the 1 ounce Gold Eagles, then the 1 ounce Maples do have lower premiums most days of the year. However, it's not true that all Maples have lower premiums than all Eagles. If you were to compare the 2 side by side, you would discover that 1/2 ounce Eagles have lower premiums than 1/2 ounce Maples. So the rule here is to always compare like sizes across series. You might get a relative bargain on a 1 ounce product, but it won't always translate to its smaller fractional sizes. And because some of those years are rare, the price of the coin is higher depending on the year. So we've exposed all of that information for you, so you can see if you have premium appreciation for a specific year or if it exists for a specific series. And I bring up Silver Eagles because they are well known for increasing in value the older they are. And you'll see this reflected in the prices as you scroll down the page. So why should you care about this? Well, if you're buying and holding for years, you might benefit from the premium appreciation that we see for some of these coins. So you're not quite as beholden to the spot price of the underlying metal. It could be slightly insulated from swings in spot given enough time. And that's all we have for you today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and to share with a friend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.